Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about solving ratio problems using tape diagrams when the information given to us, in addition to just the ratio, is whatever there is more of or whatever there is extra of. So that'll make more sense as we go on, but let's just get started. So this problem says the ratio of boys to girls is 3 to 5. If there are 12 more girls than boys, how many boys are there? So we know what the ratio is. The ratio of boys to girls is 3 to 5. So we can use the boys is going to come first, and then the girls will be second. So we can make our tape diagram just off of this. The tape diagram is always just of the ratio. So we have boys, and 1, 2, 3. And then we have girls, 1, 2, okay? So this shows a ratio using the tape diagram. We have 3 boys to the 5 girls. And what it says now is if there are 12 more girls, so this is the important part, 12 more girls. So if we're just looking at this tape diagram, we can see that there are more girls, right? There's more boxes for girls than boys. But how we can think about it is if we kind of imagined anything beyond this point, that represents the extra girls. So all through here, same number of boys and same number of girls up till this point right here, and then that means that these 2 boxes, these extra 2 boxes, represent the extra 12 girls. So we know that both of these boxes right here, this is 12 girls. Sorry for my handwriting on this tablet. So if both of these 2 boxes represent 12 girls, then we know that 12 divided by 2 is going to be 6. So each one of these has to be 6. 6 in here, 6 in here. That would make 12. Since those boxes are 6, we know that the rest of the boxes are 6. And that would tell us that there are, the question just wants to know how many boys are there. So there are 18 boys. And if you want to get more specific, you can say and 30 girls. Let's do one more example. This one says, for every 4 cakes a bakery makes, they also make 7 cupcakes. If there are 15 more cupcakes than cakes, how many of each are there? Okay, so we can first make a tape diagram. So we have cakes. So we can even draw little pictures. So here we have a cake, and then we also have cupcakes. So cakes to cupcakes, and so 4 to 7 is our ratio, and for every 4 cakes, and then we have 7 cupcakes. This is going to come first. They're also right next to each other, so it's easy to figure it out. We have 4 cakes, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 7 cupcakes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. If there are 15 more cupcakes than cakes, how many of each are there? So right here we end up getting more cupcakes. These are those extra cupcakes in our picture. So these extra 3 boxes or extra 3 tape pieces would represent 15 cupcakes. And then we could divide that by the 3 boxes to get 5 in each. So if all 3 of these, again, that's saying if all 3 of these have to total up to 15 and each of these have to be equal, then these each will have to be 5. So each of these is 5, which makes all the other pieces 5 as well. That's how a tape diagram works. And then we would know that there are 20, then we would know that there's 20 cakes, and we know that there are 35 cupcakes. Alright, hope that helps.